E-294 of 2022, Laban, Onserio.
We are also praying for an order authorizing the applicant, which is the Republic, through the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, to forensically examine electronic gadgets recovered from the respondent. Your Honor, the brief circumstances of this matter are that on the 18th of December 2022, at Holy Family Basilica basement within Nairobi County, the respondent was found in possession of a flashbang training system model stun grenade, Your Honor, as per paragraph A of the notice of motion. Was threatening members of the public with an imminent attack while holding the said grenade, Your Honor, which is a flashbang training system model as per paragraph 4 of the supporting affidavit. Your Honor, the respondent was also in possession of a pocket phone model number GA25. He was also in possession of iPhone 14 and iPhone 5. Your Honor, the explosives recovered have been forwarded to the bomb disposal unit, and the applicant awaits the report from the bomb disposal unit. With the incident, the respondent kept mentioning a person working with the British High Commission regarding not working for the British High Commission. Is a British citizen working with Fly 540, who the respondent adversely mentioned and said that he's the one who assisted him to procure the said grenades. Then we also wish to get a call data record of the respondent to know who he is and who he's talking to, and how he found himself in possession of the said grenades. Is an instrument of mass destruction, should not be in possession of a citizen. And Your Honor, it is a matter of public interest that the bottom of this situation is discovered, and the public finds out how a private citizen was in possession of a grenade. And Your Honor, considering that he was flashing it before members of the public, it's a great matter of national concern. Your Honor, if we have made this application in the interest of justice.
The respondent has already submitted or handed over to the investigating officers his press card, which identifies him as a journalist in this nation, working with a standard group. His identity is already known by virtue of his press card and the national identification card. During the preliminary investigations, the respondent has mentioned one Don Smith to be working with the Fly 540. That information is already with the investigators. It's upon the investigators to do their due diligence, arrest the said Don Smith, who unfortunately, after being given that information, he has not been presented alongside the respondent today. Attempt by the prosecution and the investigators to hold the respondent during the Christmas break, which, given there are no compelling reasons to hold him, will be infringing on his right as an accused person, contrary to the provisions of the Constitution. Maybe, Your Honor, the respondent is willing to deposit a cash bail in this court to enable him enjoy his rights as envisioned in the Constitution. He was arrested yesterday. He has been presented today within 24 hours required by the law. And given no compelling reasons, this honorable court ought not grant the application as prayed by the prosecution.
Your Honor, it is not the intention of the prosecution and the investigation to hold the respondents of acting in good faith in the interest of justice.
considered the application and the response. The items said to have been recovered and admittedly so by the council from the respondent are not the ordinary day pet weapons. The investigators have made out a good case for holding him for a few days as they conduct more investigations. This more so given the fact that he was arrested yesterday. The application is thus allowed, but with the modification that he is to be held at ATP for 3 days. We shall mention this matter on 23rd of December at 12 noon. That's all.